Hi all, welcome to Shankar channel. Today I'm going to cover a new and interesting topic, that is how you can manage the EC2 instance using System Manager SSM. So first, these days usually EC2 instances with the latest AMI comes with the inbuilt SSM agent installed. If not, you can install it. You can have certain commands from Google. You can Google it and you can install the SSM agent. If you don't know, let me know. I'll create another video illustrating that demo for that particular installation. But for now, I'm going to skip because I'm going to show you what SSM is and how you can make a full utilization of it. So I'm going to launch an instance for that. I'll say SSM EC2. I'll choose Amazon Linux as my system. Since it is SSM, it is not required, but just in case if you need to troubleshoot anything, I'll use the SSH putty, and then I'll choose the default one because it has SSH port opened already, 22. And then I would also go ahead. So there are two ways. Either you can, while creating the instance, you can attach the IAM role profile. So I already have the SSM managed instance code as the IAM role for this. I'm going to attach it, or else once the instance is launched, you can go to actions, and then under security there is an option called modify IAM role. You can use that section as well. Okay, and now I'm going to click launch. So meanwhile it's taking time. I'll take a pause and be back. All right, I'm back, and status text is still initializing. So we'll take a moment here. Meanwhile, it's being initialized. I'll walk you through what the IAM role was about. So this is the IAM role. So I hope you already know how to create IAM role. So I have created IAM role with this policy, and this policy is nothing but the Amazon SSM managed instance core, which is already AWS managed. You can create a role and come to here, add permissions, attach policies, and then search for the right policy. So this should be the policy you should have in place, and you can come here and check this box. If you're not attaching it at the time of creation, you can come here, security, modify role, and from here you can attach it like this. Okay, so let's see if it is launched, and if we are able to log into the instance using SSM connect. Okay, I think, yeah, we are able to, so that works. Let's see. System CTL status HTTPD. So I have checked the status whether the HTTPD is installed or not. The reason being, I'm going to walk you through System Manager here and how you can make a full utilization of it. So first, I'll go ahead and walk you through distributor. What distributor is? So here you can create any new package and deploy it on this EC2 instance, and there are already package we already have in place here from the Amazon. These are the Amazon offered packages. You can make a use of it. Click here. If you like to install PV driver, click here, install one time, you can say, or you can choose any other agent, or you can create a package. If you already have the .rpm package, you can place it in S3 bucket and then make a full utilization of it. So make sure whatever package you created, it should have MSI, DEB, and the RPM files in it. Okay, so these are the prerequisites that you have already have in place. So you can install it from here. You can patch your instances from here with the SSM, right? You can also have the, let's walk through patch policy. So here you can create what kind of patch you would like to be done. You on this EC2 instance, you would just like to have a scan, or you like to do the install along with the scan. You can always choose these settings. And target nodes are nothing but any and whatever nodes, like you may have multiple EC2 instances you like to go and at once for all EC2 instances. So you can make use of patch manager using SSM. Fleet manager is another one. Let's see what it is. So fleet manager is the one you see the node here, and you have the options to either connect, you have the option to view the file system, performance counters, or you can run the command on this EC2 instance from here only. So we already have a section here. I'll have that thing in my demo, run command. So let's go ahead and do the practical of it. So let's hit run command. What I'll do is I'll say AWS shell maybe, or I can say just shell. All right, so I have three. I'll choose just run shell script. I'm going to run the shell script on my Linux, Amazon Linux instance. And what are the commands? I go ahead here, open this up, and copy paste these commands. And I showed you, right? We have already checked status and it was not installed. See here, I can check it once again. And now I'm going to execute these commands from here only. Okay, so for that I have to choose which instance I would like these commands to be executed on. And we can also have the output saved in S3 bucket, but for now we'll disable, and there would be no other settings for this demo. I'll say run. So it has been sent to the EC2 instance. Now I come back to run command and go to command history. We already have two. Now I'll check this one as well. It's in progress. Let's wait for a moment. Now no commands are executing. That means the commands have been executed successfully, I believe. So it says success. And let's go ahead and verify this. Here we go. Okay. So HTTPD is now installed. You now have the HTTPD Apache page. It should be just a second. It works. So that page is now accessible using our public IP, because we have the instance deployed in the outside the enterprise environment. So this is not the enterprise environment. So we are working with the public IP only. And see the SSM, you can make a full utilization of it. You can do multiple things from here. And that was this session was all about. Now in the next video, what I'll cover is I'll I'll go ahead and allow this SSM to execute the commands. However, before that, I'll take some secrets from the secret manager and use the SSM manager to execute the commands. Once the commands are executed, it would create a index.html page with some content in it. Okay, so this entire thing I'll do with the lambda function. So I'll go ahead and automate this in my next video. So have patience and keep watching Shankar's Feet on Cloud. Thank you.